Guys, it's a watch. Okay, so thing is that I never actually intended to get my hands on this. We were going on a trip. We were going on a shopping trip, right? And we came across an Apple store because one of my brothers, was gonna get some things from the Apple store, and one thing led to another, and somehow I ended up getting my hands on an Apple Watch and on this nice little wristband thingy. So, another unboxing video! Yippee! This would be technically the second unboxing video that I've done on this channel. Okay. Let's get this thing set up now, shall we? Alright, these I'm pretty sure you're supposed to... Yeah. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Wait. Hold up, let me see. Move out of the way. Look at that. That's actually really nice. Real nice touch apple. Ooh. Yeah. Wait a minute, this isn't an apple. Dang it, I got scammed by Apple. Guys, we should sue Apple. I thought that they were gonna actually give me an apple for a watch, but they just gave me a square. Disgusting. Disgusting of them to do that to me. Is this box literally just empty? Is it really just an empty box? Nope, there's legit nothing in here. So much for a carbon initiative. But yeah, okay, so in all seriousness, like I said, I never intended to actually get my hands on this. It kind of just happened. I don't know how you just accidentally get your hands on an Apple Watch, but it's fine. It's fine. This is an Apple Watch SE, if I remember correctly. Well, no, yeah, it is an Apple Watch SE. And the only reason why I got an SE and, not the Series 9, or definitely not the Ultra, is because I don't really need an Apple Watch that much. It's not like an absolute necessity, more so just easy use of convenience. I already have a watch. Let me see if my little hands can pull it out. Yeah, see, I already have a watch right here. Kind of flex on them. See, like a nice little analog watch that I bring with me. But, this watch is more for like practical use. Oh my god, this tripod is so yeah, but this is kind of more for like practical use. If I want to like go to the gym for a bit, get some pumps on, and then my parents are calling me, I can get that in easy. All right. One thing you gotta appreciate about Apple products is that they always give the most flawless presentation. Like, nothing beats unboxing an Apple product. Almost nothing. The only other thing I could think of would be unboxing a Rolex. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Alright. Is it gonna, do, the thing with the MacBook Air where it just... Okay, never mind. Yeah, designed by Apple in California. So, of course, just like a lot of their recent models, this thing only has the charging cable, which is it's basically just a very unique version of the MagSafe charger. So yeah, look, it just attaches to the back of the Apple Watch. That's fine. I don't really care. Take a look at this paperwork. This is a real unboxing video when we only look at the least important stuff first instead of the actual product. Get started. Press and hold to turn on Apple Watch. Charge with magnetic charger. Safety and handling. See safety and handling in the Apple Watch user guide. Apple Watch's operating systems and the health sensors are not medical devices. Yet we still treat it like such. Exposure to radio frequency. For radio frequency exposure information for Apple Watch, open the Apple Watch app on iPhone and tap My Watch, then go to General About Legal RF Exposure, battery and charging, lithium ion battery. Yeah, I know it's a ticking time bomb if you don't use it right. Avoid hearing damage, prevent possible hearing damage, Is this in a different language in the back? Nope, it's just more garbage. But then we have the main attraction here. Ooh. Okay, alright. So we got the back of it. I always like how it's just so nicely wrapped. Oh my god, my hands are so clumsy. So this is what it looks like in all of its 4K Ultra HD glory. See, look, it says Apple Watch, it says SE, 44 aluminum thing. All right, I'm gonna leave this right back here. Let's open up very quickly the second part of the attraction. This is a 45 millimeter sports band that I bought alongside of it. Where's the pull tab? Oh, there it is. You know, you gotta love that presentation though. See, look, it's got all this helpful, very helpful things to know about. Actually, it is really helpful. See, look, slide to attach band, adjust band for close. Wait, hold up. Oh, I'm not even showing it on camera. Slide to attach band, adjust band for a close fit, press button to remove band. Okay, so I see you. Let me see if I can. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Is there more paperwork here? Oh boy, my favorite. More paperwork for instructions and safety information. Visit the Apple Watch user guide. I'm not gonna do that. You're not my dad. Ooh, how am I gonna get out of this? Do I just pull these tabs here? What? Is this like... I feel like I'm being dumb. I feel like there should be something I can do here. Oh, I'm able to get that side out. Ah, there we go. There, okay. Come on. Yeah. Finally took you long enough. Okay. That actually fits really nice. Press the power button. What does it do? Hello? Anybody home? Anybody home? This ain't gonna go as smoothly as I initially anticipated. Oh, get out. Yeah. Gotta... Come on, buddy. You can wiggle yourself out. It's not that hard. Come on, get out of your little shell. Get out of your... Get out of your little shell. I had to do it by force. And then it should be as simple as... Oh, it's in. Hey, there we go. There we go. Looks so different on my camera, but it's like a little purplish here, but it's on my eyes it's perfectly fine. I guess that's the true magic of Retina displays or whatever the hell they call it. Juicy. Bring iPhone near Apple Watch. Okay, well I'm gonna have to stop recording for this segment.
I got too lazy to record the last bit for a moment, so I'm just gonna say it right here. This watch is actually really cool. I'm still mad about the fact that this isn't a normal Apple. It's a scam, bro. They said it was an Apple Watch. There is no Apple here except the packaging. This is a lie. They gave me a